by. Come by. Now pry him out of that corner.
I live on a cattle farm, and it is a sad fact that not all the calves make it.
Lie right there. Good boy. Spot, come here.
Even as with humans, not all survive birth and childhood.
Good job, buddy.
The question that comes up is what to do with the earthly remains. Our policy? Nothing. These animals did not die of disease. They died of mishap or birth defect or respiratory stress from rapidly changing weather, perhaps parental inexperience. In the long run, natural culling is best for herd health and genetics. It is also best for those who make their living by recycling the dead, skunks, opossums, coyotes, beetles, and more birds than we might expect. Among birds, some are enthusiastic scavengers. The bigger corvids, like crows and ravens, let nothing go to waste in their territories. Vultures are specialists, with naked heads to forage within a carcass, and like many social animals, they observe a hierarchy within groups, ranking birds dominant at a food source. There are raptors who insist on taking live prey, but some do not. Red-tailed hawks are rodent specialists who sometimes use roadkills or visit a carcass. They have no trouble maintaining their place in the buffet line. Until the ultimate scavenger shows up, then all must make way. We may be uncomfortable with the national emblem scavenging a meal, but there's a story here. By choice, the bald eagle takes fish caught live. But in the dead of winter, fish may be locked under ice, and scavenging is plan B. For perspective, here's a cutaway to a bald eagle handling a 60-pound stillborn calf. This is a very powerful bird, and its dominance at any feeding situation is not often challenged. Earth's resources, proteins especially, are limited and must be recycled. So there's an argument that scavenging is noble work, worthy even of royalty.